Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install DeepSeek R1 locally. So let's begin. Now to run DeepSeek R1 locally, you will need the Ollama installed on your computer. So as you can see, I'm in Ollama's website. You can just go to ollama.com and you will find the website itself. From here, you need to download. And then you can click on download for Windows and then Ollama will be downloaded. So as you can see, Ollama is quite big. It's 745 megabytes. It will take some time to download it. So I'm going to cancel this download as I already have it downloaded. Now I'm going to install Ollama on my computer. Now after you open the Ollama installer, you will find the page which will look like this. Now I'm going to click on install and I'm going to wait for Ollama to install. Now what we need to do is go to the home page of Ollama. And from the home page, we're going to find a link which is DeepSeek R1. So we're going to go into DeepSeek R1. And then we are going to find the DeepSeek language models. We can click here and we will find all the language models. Now, since I'm running a low-end laptop, I'm going to select the 1.5B. Now, this is the lightest language model version. So I'm going to run this version. I'm going to copy the code right over here. And now I'm going to run Windows PowerShell. To run Windows PowerShell, press the Windows button, type down PowerShell over here. So this is the Windows PowerShell. Now from Windows PowerShell, I'm going to paste down what I had copied and I'm going to press enter. And now this will take some time because as you see, it's 1.1 gigabyte and it's going to take some time to download the whole thing. Alright guys, so as you can see, our language model has been completely installed. It took quite a while as my internet is slow, so I skipped the whole process. Now here you will be able to send message. So let me send a message here. So as you can see, I'm asking how it is and it's telling me it's just a virtual assistant and it's just acting as an AI. Now this is how you can run the DeepSeek R1 model in your computer locally. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.